2021. Okay, so today I will be dealing with 5 very important concepts in rotational mechanics. So these concepts are time and again repeated in NEET. So first is your definition of torque. So torque is R cross F. I will come to that in brief later. Number 2 will be equations of rotational kinematics. Number 3 is moment of inertia, where we will be dealing with two theorems which are parallel axis theorem and perpendicular axis theorem, and a very related concept which is radius of gydation. Number 4, very important topic, a conservation law, which is conservation of angular momentum. And number 5 is the concept of rolling. Okay, so I will just briefly go into these. So vector torque tau is R cross F. Very important, it is not F cross R but R cross F. So when you are doing this, you do it with the determinant form. So I j k. So this will be Rx, Ry, Rz, and F will be Fx, Fy, Fz. So you will get the answer in terms of I, j, k. So this is a very important concepts for NEET. Okay, so do it by the determinant method or by any other relevant method. But important is the definition is R cross F. Many students do mistake here, they do F cross R. It is not F cross R, it is R cross F. Second concept for rotational mechanics is rotational kinematics. So basically we will be dealing with 3 formulas corresponding to translational motion. We know there are 3 formulas: V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and V square equal to U square plus 2AX. So the corresponding 3 equations in rotational kinematics will be omega equal to omega naught plus alpha t, where omega is the final angular velocity, omega naught is the initial angular velocity, alpha is the angular acceleration, t is time, theta is the angle. Angle will be in radian. So SI unit of angle is radian. Many students make mistake, they give the angle in degrees. So theta must be in radian. Okay, SI unit for angle is radian, not degrees. Your 360 degree is 2 pi radian, that is the conversion factor. 360 degree is 2 pi radian. So first equation is omega equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Second equation will be theta is equal to omega naught t plus half alpha t square. Third equation will be omega square